Welcome back with a new math tutorial. In this video we are talking about related division and subtraction. As we talked before about multiplication and addition, that we have a relation between them. When you repeat the addition more than one time, the operation now will be converted to be multiplication. For example, if we have here 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. We repeat 5 4 times in addition, so the question now will be converted to be 5 multiplied by 4. When we say 5 multiplied by 4, it means we repeat 5 4 times in addition, or we repeat 4 5 times. So we have the same for division. If we repeat the subtraction more than one time, it means this question will be division. So we can solve the division by using repeated subtraction. So for question number 1, use repeated subtraction to divide. We need to divide 10 divided by 2. To solve this question, at the first I will start with 10. 10 minus 2. I will subtract 10 minus 2, the answer is 8. Once we subtract, use the number that you find, which is 8, by subtracting 2. Then it will be 6. Again we use 6. So it will be 6 minus 2, which equals 4. So we use the last number, then we subtract 2 again. I will divide by 2, so in each time I will subtract 2. So again I will use 4, so 4 minus 2 equals 2. Then 2 minus 2 equals 0. You will find that we repeat the subtraction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means 10 divided by 2 equals 5. And for the division, you will find that the first number is called dividend, the second number is called divisor. The answer that you find is called quotient. So when we have here 10 divided by 2, start with the dividend, subtract the divisor, then use the answer that you find. When we have here 8, so 8 minus 2 equals 6. Count how many you repeat until you find 0. That will be the quotient of division. Again, we have here 12 divided by 3. When we have here 12 divided by 3, I will start 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 equals 9. Again, I will use 9. 9 minus 3 equals 6. We will use 6 one more time. 6 minus 3 equals 3. Again, I will use 3. 3 minus 3 equals 0. Now count how many times that you repeat subtraction. 1, 2, 3, 4. It means the quotient now will be equals 4. So at the first I will start by subtracting until I find 0. Once we find 0, count how many times that you subtract. That will be the quotient. Again for question number 3. We have 16 divided by 8. I will follow the same. 16 by subtracting 8. 16 minus 8 equals 8. Again, I will use 8 here. And each time I will subtract 8. So 8 minus 8 equals 0. Because we subtract 2 times, it means the quotient now will be equals to. Again for 15 divided by 5. When we have 15 divided by 5, it will be 15 minus 5. The answer will be equals 10. We will use the 10 one more time. So 10 minus 5. And each time I will subtract 5. 10 minus 5 equals 5. Again one more time. We have 5 minus 5. The answer will be equal 0. Because we subtract 3 times, so the quotient now will be equal 3. In question number 5, we have 24 divided by 8. So we will subtract 24 minus 8. By subtracting, it will be 16. We will use 16 one more time. 16 minus 8. By subtracting equals 8. Again, I will use 8. 8 minus 8 equals 0. Now we subtract 3 times. So we have here the quotient will be equal 3. 20 divided by 4. So I will start 20 minus 4. By subtraction, it will be equal 16. Again, we use 16 minus 4. By subtract, it will be equals 12. We will subtract one more time until we find 0. By subtracting 4, and each time, because I divided by 4, I will subtract 4. 12 divided by 4 equals 8. Again, we'll subtract. 8 minus 4 will be equals 4. One more time, we have 4 minus 4. The answer will be equal 0. Now we need to count how many times that we subtract. You will find that we subtract 5 times. It means now the quotient will be equals 5. And that's how we can find the relation between the repeated subtraction and division.